Is it your wish to become rich? Are you hoping for abundance to come to you? Yes? Then let's skip the wishing and hoping. Let me show you what is really necessary to build true wealth. We are going to delve into the realm of wealth, money, and prosperity. The aspirations shared by many, yet achieved by very few. Have you ever pondered why some individuals amass riches while others grapple with debt year after year? Why is it that so many people never get ahead of their finances? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Consider this: while schools impart knowledge on various subjects, why is financial literacy often overlooked? Why aren't we taught the fundamentals of managing money effectively? If traditional education included lessons on financial management, perhaps many would find themselves on a different financial trajectory today. But fear not, for what you may have missed in your educational journey, we're here to uncover in this enlightening video. Prepare to embark on a journey where we unveil the mysteries of personal finance, entrepreneurship, and much more. Are you ready to challenge your perceptions about money? Let's start with a few fundamental questions. Think about these questions and be honest with yourself. Is money inherently good or bad? What do you believe about the rich? Do you believe most people that have money are evil or dishonest? Society often portrays the wealthy as morally questionable characters, influencing our beliefs about wealth. However, it's crucial to reassess these notions. Money itself isn't inherently virtuous or malevolent. It's the individuals who wield it that determine its moral standing. Consider this analogy. Money is like a tool in our hands. We can choose to utilize it for nefarious purposes or for noble deeds. Just as a hammer can build a home or destroy it, money magnifies the intentions of its possessor. While some may misuse wealth for unethical endeavors, many affluent individuals are hard-working and honest, earning trust through their integrity. It's essential to recognize that dishonesty isn't synonymous with wealth. Yes, there are instances of unscrupulous individuals who attain riches through illicit means, but they are the exception rather than the rule. Most wealthy individuals have attained their status through dedication, perseverance, and ethical practices. Media often sensationalizes stories of wealthy individuals involved in scandals, creating a skewed perception of the affluent. However, it's imperative to remember that these instances are not representative of the entire demographic. Just as there are dishonest individuals in every socioeconomic group, there are also honest and principled individuals among the wealthy. If we harbor disdain towards the affluent based on misconceptions, we inadvertently limit our own potential for financial success. This may not only limit our potential, but it can also completely stop us from moving forward. By shifting our perspective and recognizing the diversity within the wealthy demographic, we open ourselves up to new possibilities. How many times have you heard someone say, "Money won't make you happy"? This is often said by poor people. While it may be true that money itself can't bring true happiness, it's true that money can solve problems. Money can solve many problems that keep you from being truly happy. I'm sure you can think of a few problems you have that would go away if you could throw some money at them. If your happiness is important to you, and I'm sure it is, then having a lot of money can only help your happiness as long as you use it correctly. So, let's challenge our preconceptions and embrace a more nuanced understanding of wealth and success. After all, our beliefs shape our reality, and by re-evaluating our perceptions, we can pave the way for personal and financial growth. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Are you still with me? I want you to become an active participant in your transformation right now. Starting right now, you are going to change your thinking about money. Please go into the comments right now and type, "I am wealthy." Just type the words, "I am wealthy" in the comments and get ready to change your thinking. When I see your comment, I will give you a heart. Then we will both know that you are well on your way. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I will continue to bring you very important information about becoming rich every week. Life-changing information about building wealth that you can't afford to miss. The only price you pay for this is your subscription. Thank you for your comment and thank you for subscribing. All right. Now we will get back to work, so pay attention. I will tell you about the power of mindset in wealth accumulation and why it's so important. In the pursuit of wealth, many factors come into play, but none is as crucial as mindset. The way individuals perceive and approach wealth profoundly influences their ability to attain it. This video will show you the significance of mindset in wealth accumulation and then also highlight the transition from a poverty mindset to a wealthy mindset. The transitioning is where real changes take place, so keep watching until the end. Here we go. The importance of mindset in wealth accumulation. Mindset serves as the foundation upon which individuals build their financial success or stay poor their whole lives. A wealthy mindset encompasses beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors conducive to abundance, whereas a poverty mindset is characterized by limitations, scarcity thinking, and fear of lack. Before I can show you how to transform your life into wealth and abundance, it's very important to learn the difference between a wealthy mindset versus a poverty mindset. Here are the three most important differences. After you learn about these, I will show you how to fix them. Number 1, beliefs and attitudes. Beliefs shape reality. People with a wealthy mindset believe in their ability to create and attract abundance. They view wealth as attainable through hard work, innovation, and perseverance. Conversely, individuals with a poverty mindset may hold limiting beliefs about money, such as money is scarce or rich people are greedy. These beliefs hinder their financial progress by creating self-imposed barriers. These self-imposed barriers are not easy to spot. They lie deep in the subconscious, so most people don't even know they are there. They don't know how badly the beliefs are holding them back. Number 2, goal setting and persistence. A wealthy mindset is driven by clear goals and unwavering determination. Wealthy individuals set ambitious yet achievable financial goals and remain resilient in the face of challenges. They understand that setbacks are temporary and setbacks are opportunities for growth. They believe in themselves. In contrast, those with a poverty mindset may lack clear goals or give up easily when confronted with obstacles, perpetuating a cycle of financial struggle. They believe they are destined for a life of mediocrity. They are okay with just getting by. They don't believe they can make real change, so they don't see any reason to put in the effort, and at the same time wonder why they can't get rich. Number 3, financial literacy and investment. Education is a cornerstone of wealth accumulation. Individuals with a wealthy mindset prioritize financial literacy and continuously seek opportunities to expand their knowledge of investing, budgeting, and wealth management. Wealthy people know that school did them a disservice. They know it's up to themselves to get educated about money. They understand the importance of making informed financial decisions and leveraging assets to generate passive income. Conversely, a poverty mindset may be accompanied by a lack of financial education and a tendency to rely on short-term solutions or avoid financial risks altogether. They usually have a job where they know exactly what to do, so they stop learning. They are content with going to work, doing the bare minimum, and then going home to mindless comfort and repeating this day after day. Some of this may sound harsh, but it's reality. Okay, that's enough of talking about the differences. Let me show you how to fix your mindset and prepare you to accept wealth into your life. This is the most important part of this video. This is where you make real change, transitioning from a poverty mindset to a wealthy mindset. Changing one's mindset from poverty to wealth requires intentional effort and a commitment to personal growth. While challenging, it is achievable and it is paramount to becoming rich. This change takes place through the following steps. Number 1. Self-awareness. The first step in changing mindset is recognizing and acknowledging current beliefs and behaviors. This requires honest self-reflection to identify thought patterns and attitudes that may be holding one back financially. Once you become fully aware of your beliefs, you can identify the beliefs that need to be changed. Number 2. Challenge limiting beliefs. Once aware of your limiting beliefs, you can challenge them by examining evidence to the contrary and reframing negative thoughts into positive affirmations. For example, replacing "I'll never be wealthy" with "I have the ability to create abundance in my life." Many people don't believe in affirmations. They may have tried them and found no change, but it's been proven time and time again that they do work. The truth is, you are telling yourself affirmations constantly throughout the day, and you don't even know it. Become aware of what you are saying to yourself. You must make sure you are saying statements that you will benefit from. You either benefit from them, or they hinder your growth. There's no in-between with this. Number 3, surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. Surrounding yourself with individuals who embody a wealthy mindset and seeking out mentors or role models can provide inspiration and support on the journey to financial success. This is especially true with social media. Think about what you are watching and who you are listening to. Does it help you? If it doesn't serve you in a positive way, get rid of it. The good news is, you're already on the right track by watching this video. Number 4. Set clear goals and take action. Setting specific, measurable goals aligned with financial aspirations is essential for progress. Break down goals into actionable steps and commit to taking consistent, purposeful action towards achieving them. Reverse engineer your vision. Decide what must happen to get you where you want to be in a year, 5 years, and 10 years. Then align your daily and monthly goals to make it happen. Number 5, cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than setbacks. How many times have you heard that you need to fail in order to succeed? Adopting a growth mindset involves viewing failures as stepping stones to success and maintaining a positive attitude even in the face of adversity. That brings us to number 6, continuous learning and adaptation. The journey to wealth is ongoing. Stay curious and committed to lifelong learning, whether through reading books, attending seminars, or seeking guidance from financial experts. Remain adaptable and willing to adjust strategies based on evolving circumstances. Learn to control the controllables, and remember that you are always in control of 2 things: your attitude and your effort. Mindset serves as the driving force behind wealth accumulation, shaping beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors that either facilitate or impede financial success. Transitioning from a poverty mindset to a wealthy mindset requires intentional effort, self-awareness, and a commitment to personal growth. By challenging limiting beliefs, setting clear goals, and cultivating a growth mindset, you can unlock your full potential and achieve financial abundance. You made it to the end. Great job. Now that you have the starting point to becoming rich, it's time for you to step it up a notch. But before I forget, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Oh yes, the next step. It's time to accelerate your wealth. Click on this video next and build your momentum. You want to get rich as fast as possible, so go to this video now and take action.